Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today, July 22nd, 2021. I want to say welcome again to all the trap watchers. This is what we do. We are on guard, paying attention to what the trap is trying to do so that we can beat him at his own game. Yeah, we can beat him. And he's the one right there on the bottom left side of my screen. That is the trap. He's the one that lays out the tricks on these price charts to try to catch people in some very bad positions. And for us, we pay attention to that so that we can avoid it and so that we can beat him and meet him to where he's trying to take the price so that we can win. This is what the game is all about, taking the money from everyone else. So if you want to join us, hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. All right, there's no other purpose for the stock market, only to take money. That's it. So you guys can tell from our price chart that we already did a price prediction in Clover Health Systems investments. Last time was on July the 14th, not long ago. Here it is, July the 22nd, right? We told you all on our last video in Clover Health that we were looking for the market to dip. We were looking for the price to go lower, and that is pretty much what has occurred. We found some support right there around $8. Did you guys catch that? We mentioned that on our last video that the market in Clover Health can get some support around $8, that you need to come through and take some profits off the table around $8. Did you do that? Or did you hold? Right? So we're going to see whether or not the market in Clover Health, if it's time to buy or should we wait? Let's see. So now if you guys wasn't able to grab that profitability around $8, which was around 10.5%, you guys can see it right there from when we did our prediction, then you will be breaking even today, right? If you were to get out the position right now, you'll be breaking even, because that's pretty much where the market closed yesterday. It's right there at our break-even price. Cool. Let's take that away. So now the question is, is it now the time to buy Clover Health, or should we wait? Is the market still weak? Are we still in a downtrend, or are we expecting the market to trade sideways? Let's see, because you can tell the last 3 trading days Clover Health is in a uptrend. Slight, it's not climactic, it's not big, but we're in an uptrend, right? So now the market trap has confirmed that he is in agreement with holding price above $8. Cool. We appreciate him showing us that, because if he didn't, we will still be expecting the market price in Clover Health to come down towards 7. So thank him for his service. Next, let's look at the market in Clover Health on the 2-day. Okay, the 2-day time frame looks pretty good. It looks decent, right? This is a surefire area. Over the last 6 days of trading, the market in Clover Health has maintained support above $8. Cool. We appreciate that. We needed to see that for us to anticipate higher price. So again, let's thank the trap for his work, because he's given us a lot of information. Next, let's look at this on a 3-day time frame. 3-day time frame looks good as well. So yeah, I like the market. This market on every time frame that we're showing you is harnessing and showing us strength. And when we see strength, we know what we need to do. We need to anticipate that the price is going to go higher. Cool. Now, how high though? You guys can see that horizontal line right here that goes all the way back to June 2020. Okay, this was a SPAC, i.e. meaning that it's a special purpose acquisition company. This is just one way to make companies go public, because it was trading, when it first started trading on the exchange, it was around $10 per share, and the market maintained that. In Clover Health, we dipped below that recently, broke out, came right back down. So again, let's put this into context. I'm not telling you that the market in Clover Health is going to give us the same type of price action that we got right here. No, not at all. Okay, we already went through that. For us to get that in the next month, because that happened in June, so for us to see that again in July, it's not likely. But hey, anything's possible. So even though we're seeing the strength into the market in Clover Health, where do you think the price is that we'll see selling? At what price do you think the trap will start to hit selling? Because that is where we need to take the bag. That is where we need to come through and take the loot and move on to the next play and not overstay our welcome. That's one of the hardest things that people go through in the stock market, is that they overstay their welcome. Now, if you in the market for a long-term play, then you shouldn't be watching videos, period, about price predictions, not for the short term. If you're trying to be in Clover Health for the next 10, 15 years, you don't need to be watching price prediction videos, because it's not going to do you any good. In the next 10 to 15 years, seeing Clover Health at $8.88, yeah, you would expect the price to increase from now 10 years out. You would. Now, whether it's going to be trading at $15 in 10 years or $1,500, right? Don't nobody know that. So you can play both sides, have a basket of long-term plays to where you don't even think about it. Then you have another basket for short-term plays to where you can still come through and take profitability here and there and move on. Check this out. So what we're going to do, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Clover Health. I'm not overly bullish, right? But that $10 area is still a place of hindrance. It is still a place that we can see some selling into the market in Clover Health. So we need to be prepared to take the loot right there. Okay. So $10. It's about 13.5% right there. Okay. I'm going to extend out that horizontal line around 8, because the market price in Clover Health will continue to go higher so long as price trades above $8. Okay. First area of restriction is around 10. So we're going to anticipate the market price in Clover Health to come up towards 10. If we are able to break $10 to the upside on strength, and we continue to see strength into the market in Clover Health, the next area of restriction would be right there around $10.50, 65 cents, give or take. So I wanted to come through. This is it. This is our updated price prediction according to the chart. According to the chart, the price in Clover Health definitely looks like it wants to go higher in price. So we're going to play it. So now I want to know, what are you all seeing on the price chart for Clover Health? Drop us a comment in the comment section and let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, trade different. Peace.